Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhamad Amsyar. So I'm going to show how I update my student record in in my SQL database using PHP. So first I already inserted a few data into the database, which is this one here, which has the attribute of ID, name, phone, and faculty, which ID is the primary key. So let's look at the code. First, I can connect to the database and using the MySQL connect, localhost, root, and with no password. And then we select the database, MySQL underscore DB, and we connect it to the database name, which is person. And then we select the query, select all from student, and then we execute the query and input it into the variable names record, which is MySQL underscore query. And then we're gonna output all the data in all the info in the database using a table, student record, ID, name, phone number, faculty, action. One is used for edit button, while row is equal to MySQL fetch underscore array record, which is we store the information in an array into the row, and we store each of the attribute into another variable, ID, name, phone number, and faculty. And then we output all the attribute into the table, ID, name, phone number, faculty, and then we use a high ref to send the value of each attribute, which is ID, name, phone number, faculty, and then submit into the another page, which is update.php. So the page will look like this: ID, name, phone number, faculty, and action. So when we press the edit button, it brings us to another page, which is update record, which we can update the record we want to. Here's the code for update PHP. So what did I do is connect again with the same method as the index.php, and then I display the thing that I want to edit using a table, and then using a form action and method get. So what this do is we can edit the data we want into the text box for each attribute we want. And after we have insert what we want to change, we have the button submit, which will confirm the things that we want to update. And then with the command update student set name equal to name, which is the thing that we sent through high ref just now for each attribute, ID, name, phone number, and faculty for each attribute, and where ID is the same because it is the primary key. We cannot change the primary key. And after that, we put the query MySQL underscore query con SQL2. If record 2 succeed, the code, we use a JavaScript to say that the record is updated successfully, and use the command window.location equal to index.php, which will redirect us to main page. Else it will say the record not updated. Let's look at the screen. For example, if we want to edit this one, we want to edit the name, for example, like misspelling or something, and the phone number too, 611, and press update. Record update successfully, and we bring back to the output, which has been updated. So that's all for my program that I wrote. Thank you.